What we aim to do with the class is to give the students a hands-on experience as much as possible, where the student is gaining confidence in the application of fire and putting fire on the landscape, knowing the risks, knowing the uncertainties when it comes to predicting weather and fire behavior, and how to use basically state-of-art software that will reduce that uncertainty and allow the managers, or the students in this case, to apply this treatment to our natural resources.
Like I said, it's running the hill. It's preheating the fuels, and so they're already warm, and so they'll ignite faster. You don't ever want to light a fire to run up a hill unless you have a line on the other side that you know will control it.
You know, going to forestry, it's hard. It is a hard degree to go into, but it's definitely the work, or worth it. You get to do everything outside. Are we stopping right here?
Yeah, they're gonna do the torches off the ATV for the rest of it. No, any woman can go into the forestry field. There's not a lot of women right now, but it is shifting to include more and more women, especially the wildlife field. There's more and more women.
What I learned is it can get hot and it moves pretty quick, and it was really cool to see how the fire behaved, especially, you know, with changing wind conditions and how that impacted just how quickly the fire can go from just a little, you know, foot high to 5-6 feet in length.
It's hotter. I have trees that I'm worried about in here. I want to kill some trees, but I don't want to kill everything, right? I want to save some of those trees. So the class is 100% student-oriented, hands-on oriented, where they do everything themselves, and basically all I'm doing is nudging them in the right direction, ensuring that they're making progress toward that burn plan toward the end.
We weren't able to burn. That was a really, really, really wet year.
Yeah, we got lucky. I mean, the past 2 weeks have been good to burn, but last week we couldn't get the dozers, so we did it this week.
All right, Dale.
You get to plan and figure out what people are going to do on a burn. People come into the office and say, hey, I'd like you to burn our property.
Yep. So you got to go where the fire is. You see where the yellow is? Right. Yep. Yeah. So what I would do is actually come.
We're going to go ahead and do the flanks, yes, sir, same time.
Oh, they're going to go to the other side?
Yes, sir. We're going to go ahead and go this way. We'll just do them simultaneously.
Between us planning and them implementing with us, we had a very successful burn with really no glitches whatsoever.